My name is Ann Shaw, owner and founder of Shaw Legal Services Limited in Chicago, Illinois. So when I decided to go into law, one of the things that I really wanted to do was, open up a pro bono legal clinic to offer free legal services, especially to immigrants and to people who don't really, have access to the legal system or to legal services. And so, that was when I became president of the Asian American Bar Association in Chicago. That was actually my mission. Like, I am going to do this. So it took about a year, but I founded the first pro bono legal clinic in Chinatown back in 2010. So, we've expanded the clinic. We now have full-time attorneys working on it. And we don't just serve the Asian American community, but we serve a much broader community, a very diverse community, and it's probably one of the proudest things I've done in my life. And that's my philosophy, is to help people and make sure that everybody has access to good legal services and to their rights. Before COVID-19 and the pandemic, we were actually doing really well, and it was very busy. So we were really excited. We were in the process of expanding our law firm, and then COVID-19 hit, and we had to shut down. I had a lot of clients put their work on hold. The biggest issue was the court system closed down. So a lot of our cases couldn't go to trial. We couldn't have our hearings. We couldn't even file documents. There was a lot of chaos, and that affected my practice drastically. I have a lot of, even though we're a small firm, we're not a giant firm, every one of my employees, they're like family, and they rely upon me to make sure that they have a paycheck. I felt a lot of pressure to, figure out how we were going to make it through. So I will tell you, Seaway Bank and Self-Help, they are huge lifesavers. So as soon as the second round hit, my application was already ready to go, and I was approved really fast. I think it was like 24 hours, and then I had funding within, I don't even think it was like, I think it was like by the second day. It was really fast, and it couldn't have come at a better time because we were really getting concerned about the funds, because our clients had a hard time paying us because they were unsure. And then, so I used the funds, actually all of it was used to pay my employees. You always remember how people make you feel. And when I was connected to Seaway Bank and Self-Help, it was, kind of like somebody giving a big hug. Such a wonderful experience, which is why I'm really willing to spend this time to talk about it, because I feel very strongly about how, not only how well I was treated, but during a time when we were all scared and panicking. It meant a lot to me.